Hello everyone. So this is the this fifth part of the metallurgy matching problems. So we have already this covered this four parts. So total 40 questions has been covered in this metallurgy matching problems. So this is the 41st problem in which we have to match the phases of steel in group 1. So these are the different phases of steel and with the crystal structure in the group 2. So the martensite which is BCT, cementite which is orthorhombic, austenite which shows face centered cubic, and ferrite is a BCC. So correct answer is C here, P3Q4R2S1. So this is the 42nd problem in which we have to match the heat treatment for an eutectoid steel shown in the TTT diagram below as PQRS with the resulting microstructure. So these are the microstructure given and this is the TTT diagram that we call time temperature transformation diagram. So this fine pearlite, so the fine pearlite will be for the Q. So Q is 1 here, martensite, that martensite will give S here, so this S is 2, bainite, this R will give 3 and then P is 4. So P4 Q1, so answer will be B here, Q1 R3 and S2. Now this is the 43rd problem in which we have to match the metal in group 1 with the appropriate extractive processes in group 2. So we have already seen some of the problems in our earlier this videos. So this iron will be for carbothermic reduction, nickel is for matte smelting, aluminium is for fused salt electrolysis, and chromium is for metallothermic reaction. So the option is C here, P2, Q3, R4 and S1. So the next problem is 44th. Match the list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So it is showing different material and it is showing the structure of these materials. So the charcoal will be amorphous, graphite is SCP, and then chromium is BCC and copper is FCC. So the correct answer is B here, that A3, B2, Q4 and R this D1. So then this next problem is 45th here, in which we have to match the 4 tensile stress strain curve PQRS with the material listed in the box. So this P what you are seeing, this is generally for mild steel. So P is 3. This Q is for high purity copper, and this R is for ceramic. So here this we have soda lime glass. So R is 4, and S is for this polymer. So that is 1 here. So the correct answer is C, P3 Q2 R4 S1. So the next problem is 46th here, in which we have to make match these different phase transformation with the corresponding reaction. So for this peritectic, P is 4 here. So this eutectoid we can match this. So P4 Q1, P4 R1. So we can see P4 here, R1 here. So this will be the right answer, A. Now the next problem is 47th, in which we have to match the features observed in casting listed in group 1 with the most appropriate region listed in the group 2. So the micro segregation will be density difference and convection currents. Fine grain structure will form in inoculation process. Porosity will form in gas evolution and shrinkage. Dendrite will form in temperature gradient and supercooling. So answer is B here. Now the next problem is 48th, in which we have to match the crystal structure with the corresponding packing fraction. So for simple cubic it is 0.52. So one is R. So we have there two options in which one is R. SCP is 0.74. Again the SCP is same for this. Body centered cubic is 0.68. So 3 is Q. So this is the correct answer. For face centered cubic also it is 0.74. So the correct answer is C here. And also you can remember the packing fraction of diamond cubic crystal structure, which is 0.34. So if you can see the increasing order of this crystal structure, so diamond cubic, then you have simple cubic, then you have BCC, and then you have FCC equal to SCP. So this is how the packing fraction will be. So the next problem is 49th. So in which we have to match the different phenomena with their description. So the quarterly atmosphere, that will be in this, we have to this Luder's band, a Suzuki interaction, which is segregation of solute to the stacking faults. So P is 3, Q is 4, and the Bosch-Singer effect, which tells about the decrease in yield stress when loading direction is reversed. So R is 1. Nabro hearing this creep, which suggests that stress assisted a diffusion of vacancies resulting in plastic deformation in a polycrystalline material. So S is 2 here. So P3 this quarterly atmosphere is Luder's band. Q4 R1 S3 S2. So the final question is 50th questions here, in which we have to match the following mineral processing operation, which is in column 1, corresponding physical principle in column 2. So the flotation, which generally has hydrophobicity; jigging, which is difference in initial acceleration; tabling, which is difference in speed of lateral movement; comminution, which is in difference in size reduction. So the P2, Q4, R1 and S3. So thank you very much for watching this fifth part. So we will come with more these videos in next part. Thank you so much.